Hey, this is Choose Sound Team Realty. This is our first ever one-shot video giving a tour of a listing that we have up on 65th Street in North Seattle in the Bryant neighborhood. The address is 3300 Northeast 65th Street. I described it when I wrote the marketing remarks as uncommon, and I want to give you an idea of why I think so. So let's take you in and show you around this place. Right off the bat, as you look at the courtyard, that just isn't what your typical condo looks like. The place sets up, in my view, a little bit more like a townhouse. Very, very livable. Yes, there are shared walls on both sides, but it's just a lot different than the feel of a condo, in my view. So we'll go around, I guess, bottom to top and give you a feel for things. So down below, this is a massive space, starting off with this outside courtyard. Now, this isn't all that uncommon by itself, having some nice outdoor space like this, but it is, reasonably private. These bamboo shoots really do a nice job of kind of making it feel like it's just your own space, which is cool. But then look at this. This is a big, big space. And one of the things that's kind of cool is it's its own, kind of a primary suite times two. It's big slider doors that kind of come through. And king size bed, couple of tables with acres of space, sitting room, proper walk-in closet, proper 3/4 bath here, nice shower. It's a ton of space. This place is 1,800 square feet, and there's just a lot of room to check out. It's only a few years old, so everything about this place feels new. In fact, there's very little that we even needed to do to prepare it for sale. They used to have their dining room table that sat kind of sideways there, and the chairs went and rubbed up against the wall. And so we just painted kind of the chair rail area, and that was just about all that was really needed in this place. It's just in fantastic shape. Cooking with gas, massive island, just lots of room. This is a little Juliet balcony, which, if for no other reason or no other benefit really, lets a ton of light in and some good air. They did not skimp on the mini splits. There's one downstairs, one on this main floor, and upstairs as well. I'm a huge fan of the mini split, and I think that this is a good example of a place that just didn't skimp on them. There's one kind of every floor you need. So another bedroom with ensuite, full bath, and tastefully done. Washer dryer here, full size stackable, right in between the two bedrooms here. Second bedroom here as well. Look at all the windows and the bright light. Again, another even larger ensuite shower. And this is something I think is also pretty cool. Besides, you look at the windows and there's no feeling of needing to high-five your neighbor as you're, getting up in the morning, which I kind of like. But this was one that was really kind of cool too. That motor brings in fresh air from the outside as part of the green belt system. So you have a constant air exchange. So again, I describe this place as uncommon, and certainly one of the things I think that sets it up that way is not only is there that outside deck or patio that we went to downstairs, but then look at this. This is a big space here. And you could have barbecues, some good guests and gatherings, a live rooftop deck. They hide the compressors way out here so they're not in anybody's way. It's really just a cool space. So I'm a bit of a fan of this whole thing. Got city skyline in the background as well. It's a neat spot. We have this been on the market now for about a month, so it really is prime for someone to come and look at it, check it out, and fall in love. There's a lot to really like here. So let us know how I can help. A lot of fun showing you around. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.